So, meal 4 on bin 1, cheesy broccoli, chicken, and rice casserole. So the first thing I did, I started by cooking my rice. So I've got my rice pre-cooked. Now I'm going to start searing off my chicken breast. I'm going to get these in a super hot pan. Again, I've just seasoned them lightly with oil, salt, and pepper. I'm going to sear them on both sides. These don't have to be completely cooked because they are going to bake for a while in the oven. All right, so while my chicken is finishing cooking, I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of my items all mixed together. Okay, so I did the same thing with the vegetables that I did in the first casserole in this meal bin. I sauteed the vegetables that we had. So anytime you can add extra vegetables in, do it. Adds vitamins and minerals, okay? Also keeps your kids, expecting vegetables here and there. Gonna add in our canned soup mixes. Next in goes our frozen broccoli and our milk. Mix all this together. Pour down into our casserole. Lay our chicken on the top. Some nice cheesiness all around. We'll sprinkle some breadcrumbs on. And then we're gonna layer it with an aluminum foil. And then we'll take the covering off of it the last 10 minutes of its baking time just to brown the top, okay? But keeping it covered in the beginning will keep it nice and moist and to make sure your chicken gets cooked all the way through in there, okay? I'm gonna smush it down in there. We'll get that covered and we'll get it in the oven. Alright, so as I mentioned, you want to uncover this casserole and then you want to put it back in for about 10 more minutes to brown. Now while your casserole is browning, you're going to want to make some more bread. Take a couple more slices of the bread, drizzle with the olive oil, Parmesan Italian seasoning, and have it just toasted off in the oven for about 7 minutes. And then you can also make another salad with the fresh spinach, iceberg lettuce, whatever you have left over, mushroom slices if you have some left over, diced up some cucumber. If you have any other, cheese or vegetables left in your fridge or any tomato or carrot or anything like that hanging around, go ahead and feel free to add that in as well. All right, so great. Thank you so much for joining me for bin 1 on Hot Moms Dinner Club. Our budget meal plans will have you saving money and utilizing all your ingredients with very little waste. So first of all, we had our baked chicken and penne pasta served with our toasted bread and our fresh salad, fresh spinach, mushrooms, iceberg lettuce. Meal 2, those were the tuna melts. The tuna melts with cucumber slices and potato chips. Meal 3, the loaded chicken and pepperoni pizzas, 2 pizzas. Serve them with some raw vegetables with ranch dressing. And then we also had our cheesy broccoli, chicken, and rice casserole. And that's served with the same bread that we used for the other 2 meals. And then a salad as well of any vegetables that you happen to have left over. So again, thank you so much for joining me. Hot Moms Dinner Club.